the stress from the real world got the most of us. Standing on my balcony as the sun rises. It's been a couple months strong, but I'm done trying. We have our differences, but I don't wanna end it just because of all the little things. But I can bear to witness it. So I take a walk through the city lights and think of why I even started this. Remember moms told me through the tough times, trust your heart, cause that'll get you through the patches of the hardest shit. Like several days, still on my music shit, I bet you're pressing play. Or have you stepped away? Thought that I was your Romeo and you my mistress. You documented every moment and fear that we miss it. I always told you that I'd be with you until my limbs split, but you had trust issues and problems with commitment. But I'm just here to make it visible that without your affection my interior is miserable. Before I get the gun and click the safety and the trigger pulls, I hear you screaming from my door, trying to tell me that.
You only get one shot, do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better lose yourself in the music the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You never let it go. You never let it go.